U-Advocate Charles Mnisi uthi into eyenza ukuthi ubufakazi bukaSteyn nobuka-Vitellingam bushayisane ukuthi uSteyn usengeyimithiyo.
I'm putting it to you that this did not happen because you forgot. This happened because you wanted to formulate, conjure, fabricate, come up with non-existent evidence to falsely implicate accused number 5.
uSteyn umile kwelokuthi kwaba khona ukuxhumana phakathi kaKelly Khumalo nomsolwa owesihlanu. Uthi nje wenza iphutha embikweni wakhe ngokudonsa kwezingcingo.
Lord, that is totally not true. The only mistake in here is the tower reception, which I put wrong in my statement because of the 2-hour rule.
Umnisi uthi into eyenza ukuthi uSteyn egcina enza iphutha yingoba wayezama ukupheka ubufakazi.
The fact that you are admitting that you made a mistake, it is because of that fabrication that I'm referring to. That at all costs, you wanted to formulate an information and bring to the attention of this court that indeed accused number 5 and the number ending 4358 did have a communication on this day.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo kusasa.